Your chainsaw may seem like one of your toughest tools, but it does require some TLC from time to time if you want to keep it in working order. Fortunately, chainsaw maintenance is rather straightforward, so you can spend more time using this tool to cut through wood than cleaning it. If you are new to chainsaw maintenance, take a quick look at how to keep it in good shape year-round. The more you use your chainsaw, the more likely you will see debris stuck to it, from sawdust and tree sap to globes of oil. If you want it to continue working as efficiently as possible, you will need to clean it. But each part is a little different when it comes to the right cleaning technique, so be prepared to clean each one separately. For example, if the chain is dirty, take it off and soak it in a mix of ammonia and water for about half an hour. Then use a soft brush to scrub the chain until there is no more debris on it. At that point, you can rinse it with clean water and dry it off thoroughly. The next step is to check the carburetor to see if there is residue clogging it up. If there is, it will block the flow of fuel to the engine, causing it to have trouble starting. So clean this part of the chainsaw by spraying compressed air or a fuel additive onto the carburetor. Next, remove the needle valves, diaphragm, and cover plate from the saw and place them all into the cleaning mixture you used for the chain. You should then clean the air filter with soapy water or even replace it entirely if you can't seem to get the debris out. All these cleaning steps will keep your chainsaw not only looking nice, but also working well. A dull chainsaw just won't do. That's why regular chainsaw maintenance involves sharpening the blades. If you are not sure if your blades need to be sharpened, pay attention to how the chainsaw has been working lately. If it tends to discharge sawdust rather than saw chips, you might need to sharpen the blades, and if it feels like it jumps when you use it, the blades may be too blunt. To sharpen them, first clamp the chainsaw to a vise and keep it there with a hard guard. Then take a sharpening file and push it horizontally across the chainsaw's blade. Once you reach the end of the blade, lift the file and repeat the same motion, making sure to only sharpen it in one direction for best results. Also, use the same number of strokes for each tooth on the chain, with 3 to 6 being a good amount. Your chainsaw needs to be well oiled in order to prevent friction between the guide bar and the chain. If there is no enough oil, the chain won't turn as fast as it should, and the entire tool could overheat. Thanks for watching. Until next time.